Next up in JavaScript, we're going to talk about interacting with the user. For those of you with the exercise files, we're in Chapter 4, Example 1, looking at script.html. And script.html is really straightforward. There's only 2 lines that refer to JavaScript at all. There's the no script tag, which we just discussed in the previous chapter. And this comes up if a browser doesn't have JavaScript at all. And the only other line is the script tag, which references our external JavaScript. And that's where everything interesting is going to happen. So let's switch over to the script.js file. And as you can see, it may be where the interesting stuff is going to happen, but nothing's there yet. So we need to add it. And what we're going to add first off is an alert. An alert is a way of giving the user some information, and then they have to respond to it. So we type in alert, because that's all it is. And alert's followed by parentheses, so we type those in. And then whatever we want to say is within quotation marks. In this case, we're going to say, welcome to my JavaScript page. And then, as always, we end with a semicolon. Now we save that out, and then we want to load in the HTML file. Remember, we don't want to load the JavaScript file, because if you load the JavaScript file, you'll just see the JavaScript code. So let's take a look at the HTML file. When we load the page, you'll see that a message pops up saying, welcome to my JavaScript page, just as we told it to. Now the user will have to click OK or hit Enter or Return in order to continue on. You'll notice that in Firefox, the message comes up as a little drop-down sheet here. If you're in a different browser, such as Safari, as I'll show here, it will open up an entirely new window, little pop-up window. So you will not get visually the exact same effect, but the fundamental effect will be identical, which is that you have to hit OK in order to continue on. Next up, we'll make this a little bit more interesting by doing conditionals. We'll be able to do an if statement so that different things can pop up depending on what you want to do.